Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to iTouch App Reviewers. As you guys can see here, we have a ton of Spigen products that they sent us. If there's something here that you definitely want to see, go check the video for it. But today we are just going to take a look at this ArcHybrid Mag wireless portable charger for the iPhone 12 and 13. So let's get right into this. So first off, big shout out and thank you to Spigen for sending this out free for review. Let's go ahead and cut into it and see what we've got inside. So cutting here. You guys already know how I feel about this packaging. I don't like it. I hope they change it, but for now, this is what we've got. So I'm gonna open it from the bottom here. We'll slide it out and nothing else in the box. We can set that to the side. Thank you card, little manual. Hopefully we don't need that. Here is a USB-C to USB-C charging cable. So that is nice to see. A little bit of information about their other products. And here is the charger itself. Nothing else here, so we can set that off to the side. So let's first take a look at this device. There it is, looking very sleek. It's got a couple, it's only got 2 out of 4 lights lit up there, so it does need a charge. The back is a soft touch material, and it's not super heavy. I was expecting it to be a little heavier, but it's not, so that's kind of a good thing. Let's see what it feels like when I put it onto the phone. Oh wow, that really magnetizes on there well, and it is just straight up charging up right away. So my phone is at 100% already, and it's still charging it up. So this is gonna be like one of your typical wireless chargers where it just constantly gives you juice. That's pretty much all there is to it. That is good to know though, because this will always keep your phone topped up. And if we take it back to the box here, you guys will remember it is 5,000 milliamp hours. This thing should be able to charge your phone up 1, maybe 2 times, depending on the circumstances. And that's really what I like about these. And just to give you the spec, since there wasn't a spec card in there, you guys can see it's 3.6 volts at 18 watt hours. The input is 5 volt, 2.4 amps, and the output is 12 watts max total, with wireless up to 7.5 watts for the wireless charging. Now, possibly the best part of this charger is that you don't have to just use it as a wireless charger. So if you're in a pinch, you could actually use this just as a battery bank. So since it has 5,000 milliamp hours, you can charge your phone, like I said, multiple times, 1 to 2 times, maybe even 3. However, this port right here can output 12 watts of juice. So you can charge your phone a little faster if you're in a pinch and you really needed some juice. You could plug it in like this. And that way you're basically just using this as a battery bank. And then say you're just going throughout your day, you juiced up enough and you're good. You can just stick this right back on the back and it will keep your phone topped up. Now, as far as keeping this on here, I'm gonna put a little bit of pressure on here, see if it wiggles. It does a little bit, but for how big it is, this is very stable. I would not be worried about it. And using the phone, it's a little bit awkward because this is kind of a big hump on the back and it does move a little bit. Not like it's gonna fall off, but it just kind of shifts a little. So it is a little awkward to use, but it's 100% usable. It's just something you're gonna have to get used to if you're gonna use this on a daily basis, which I personally would not recommend. I think this is ideal for when you're going on a day trip or just going out somewhere and you're not sure if you're gonna be near a wall outlet. You definitely know you're gonna need your phone. Those are the instances that I would use this. This is not a daily carry in my opinion. It's just too big and bulky, but it definitely does the job. And I like to bring an extra battery bank when I'm traveling. So this would be perfect for that. I don't even have to bring a cable necessarily to plug in. The only cable I would need would be this one to kind of plug it in and charge this thing up. So let's go ahead and demonstrate that real quick, because you can actually charge this while it's wirelessly charging your phone. So it's kind of a pass-through. So I'll take this Spigen charger right here, which you will have to buy separately if you don't already have a charger of some sort, but I'm gonna plug this in here. So this is now charging up, and at the same time, my phone is charging. So it's a pass-through. It's really cool. I like the implementation here. This is just a well-done product. I think you're gonna have to weigh whether or not you care about thinness or capacity, because this is kind of a chunky boy. It is not as thin as Apple's, but it has way more juice in it than Apple's. It has pass-through technology, which Apple's kind of does, but this can also be used as a battery bank, which is something that Apple's cannot really do. Actually, Apple's may be able to be used as a battery bank like this one, but this one has 5,000 milliamp hours. Apple's only has 1,400. So you kind of have to pick and choose what you want. But I think this one is really solid for what it's worth. The price does not break the bank on this one. I'll have a link down below if you want to check it out. But like I said, this is ideal for when you're traveling or just going on a day trip and you want some extra juice. You don't even have to have it on your phone the whole time. Just keep it in your backpack. When you need it, slap it on and you're good to go. So that's all I got for this one, guys. This works with the iPhone 12 and 13 series. So keep that in mind. You do have to have MagSafe for it to work. That's all I got for this one, guys. If you liked it, hit it with a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.